Hello, this is Jeff with Off Leash Canine Training in Middle Tennessee, and here I have with me Gracie Blue. She's about a 2-year-old pit here for our 2-week board and training program. Apparently she's very bad around kids, getting towards the aggressive reactivity towards them. We got to figure out what's going on there. I haven't seen it yet, but I did see her kind of react poorly and bark at a dog that came through here, another dog. So we'll have to see that. But let's see what Gracie knows as of day 1 before the training. Gracie, come. Good girl. Sit. Sit. Good girl. Can she hold it? No, she just wants to move when I move. All right, Gracie, come. Sit. Down. 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 All right, just wants to get some love and get pet. Place. Good. Sit. Good girl. Not bad. Not bad. Break. Good girl. Let's see how she's walking on the leash. Gracie. Sit. Yep. Yep. She kind of anchors when she's not trying to go whatever we're working. See her do it. She'll just pull the opposite direction. Yep. Right now she's not pulling too hard, but doesn't have a concept of where she needs to stay and there's no distractions. Let's check out the door manners. Sit. Sit. Now she's pulling. Sit. 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 Stubborn with that sit. Alright, not terrible. She's not bolting. But also not being as patient as we'd like. That's what she knows as of day 1. I can't wait to show you what she's going to learn after training.
please.